In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows update error. Go to control panel first, type your control, click on control panel, click on view by and make sure you are choosing the large icons. Then click on programs and features option. After that, click on this option which says turn Windows feature on or off. Click on this option. Then look for net frame 3.5. This is the option. Okay. .net frame 3.5 include 2.0 and 3.0. Okay. Expand this option first. Then choose 3 options here. Tick all the options. Then click on OK. It is searching for required file. It will automatically restore the files. Windows completed the required changes. Close this option. It took almost 10 minutes. Now check if your issue is solved or not. If not, then move to the second method. Go to start menu. Click on the setting icon. Okay. And you can also restart your system after applying the first method. So let's move to the second. Click on update and security. After that, you will see the troubleshooter. This is the Windows 10 and 11.8 version by default. Now click on additional troubleshooter. Now click on this option which says Windows update. Resolve problems that prevent from updating Windows. Run it. Okay. Run it. It will automatically detect the problem and will resolve. If this doesn't work on your Windows, I will tell you the last step how you can manually install the Windows, latest Windows. So wait and apply the next method on this. If you are getting this error, troubleshooting could not identify the problem, close this and I will tell you the manual way to install the latest Windows. Close this option as well. Go to browser. Then search your Windows 10 or 11. Windows 10. Download. Hit enter. You will see the first website of Microsoft, which is Windows 10 disk image. Open this website. Click on update now option. This is the first option. And this will automatically download the tool. So you need to just double click on it. So let me go to the download files. This is the Windows 10.exe. Okay, let me cut it to desktop. Okay, this is the tool. Double click on it. Click on yes and the prompt opens. It will automatically download the latest Windows for you. It is checking the requirements. Since I am using the latest Windows, so I am not getting the next option. If your Windows is not updated, you should get the option to next, and then it will check the latest update on your Windows and will download the latest Windows. So this is how you can troubleshoot this problem. So hope your issue is resolved. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.